Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos. I'm Latoya. Graduation season is here. So in today's quick video, my daughter is going to be showing you all how to assemble our new class of 2022 chip bags. Make sure to watch the entire video to see how you can grab this as a free download. If you find the video helpful, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed already. Hit that notification bell so that you could be notified when we post more videos. Stay tuned.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say,
You can grab this freebie by heading on over to our website and checking out our latest blog post. You will click on the download PDF here button. It will be added to your cart. It is free. No payment information is needed, but you will have to proceed to checkout like you normally would. You can also check out our section of personalized graduation party favors that you can personalize and print today. Alright guys, I really hope you all found the video helpful, and I hope that you end up using this graduation chip bag design. If you do, please tag me in any photos over on Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook at Hanging with the Kiddos. You can find the links to our website and all the materials that we use in the description box down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when we post more videos and more freebies. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.